buddy, this is your boy SN. I'm back again with another episode. So today I'm gonna look at a portable solar power bank by the company called Untitled. This portable solar power bank runs off solar energy. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about the specs of this product, some cool feature and some cool benefit of this product. So first let's talk about this packaging of this solar power bank. On the front it has a barcode says Untitled Solar Charge 26,800 mAh power bank, made in China. Product name power bank. The model is HX160S5. Again, it talks about battery capacity, input 2.1 amp, so that's good, and output is 2.1 and also 1 amp, so it has two options. Our 2.1 will charge faster as compared to 1 amp. Product size and product list, what's included in the product. So let's open this up and look at it by ourselves. So let's open this up here. There's one plastic here. Make sure to put the knife away so you don't touch yourself. Let's take it out and I'll talk about more about this product and why it's a good pickup. The packaging looks great here. I'll take out this solar bank here. It's not pretty big, it's okay size. So let's see, there's one power bank in the box, and if I take this out, there's a manual that talks about the product size, specification, but I'll go over every specification on this video. And on the other side at the bottom it has solar banks here. It comes with the micro USB to charge your power bank here. So even on the back the manufacturer says 26,800 mAh here. So now let's check out the bank itself. So this is the power bank here itself. It has a solar panel on the front, and on the side it has two USB charging slot, which is one is 1 amp and another one is 2.1 amp. The difference is the output of this is 1 amp and 2.1 amp. That means 2.1 amp will charge your device faster as compared to the 1 amp. So this is really cool feature here. So it has two input. One is your micro USB, another one is type C when you want to charge your power bank really fast. Let's see on the other back, it has three solar panels here that can be detachable to your power bank. So let's try attach this to your power bank and let's see. So there's magnetic connector here, so if you connect this it will connect it like this. So and when you try to fold it, fold it like this and it will be a little bulky. You can detach these solar panel and put it on a side. I have attached this solar panel to this power bank. So let's open this up here. Wow, so this has 4 solar panel itself to charge your power bank. Product, you cannot only charge it from sunlight, but you can also charge this bank through your household light, and also you can charge it from the power outlet from USB type C micro USB. I'll give you some basics of how many times this power bank is gonna charge your phone. So nowadays the average of the smartphone battery is around 4,000 to 3,500 mAh. So let's have a look at it. So once this power bank is fully charged, so this is 26,800, and let's see how many times it's gonna charge your smartphone. So if you do at 26,800 divided by around 4,000 mAh, so it's gonna charge around 6.7 times. So roughly we can say around 6 times it's gonna charge your smartphone from 0 to 100. So that's pretty awesome. The attachment of these 3 solar panel here means that this is gonna charge your power bank 4 times faster as compared to with 1 solar panel here. Let's talk about the power bank itself and see what's included in the power bank here. So on this here it talks about some of the reading here, input, output, and what brand and whatsoever. And on there it has a lights here, so that tells the status of the power bank, how much it is charged. So and on this side this type C and micro USB to charge your power bank. On this side there's LEDs, and on this side there's a power button. So once you press that, it should tells you how much is your power bank charged. So in here when I press it, it shows me only one LED. So because that's brand new I have to charge it, and because of having 2 USB ports here, that means you can charge multiple devices at the same time. So this product can be a lifesaver, and this is one of the products to have it in your household. Not only that, for the people who are into hiking or camping, this is a really good product. So you can charge your power bank while you're hiking or on camping, so you don't have to always charge it from the power outlet. So product like this come really handy in emergency situation. Then it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. I got this product on Amazon Prime Day around 40 bucks. This product is really worth it to have it in your house in case you lose power, and we all know we want to get in touch with our loved ones. So it's better to have this product in case of emergency where there's no power at your house. As you can see, I have put this solar panels outside today and there's not much sunlight going directly into the solar panel. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy here, but it's still, as you guys can see, during this light, with the cloudy light, the solar charger is charging the power bank. So that's pretty cool, that's pretty awesome. So I don't have to wait for the sunlight to come in and to charge my power bank here. You don't have to put in certain direction to get the power bank charging get started. So this is the charging first day today. I have put this right now. So after this taking out from the box, the power bank itself was dead. There was no boost into the bank. So today's the first day. Let's see how many days and how long it's going to take to charge this power bank fully to the full lights, that mean 100%. Now for fun, let's see how much voltage is these altogether three solar panel is giving me. So I'm gonna use this cheap multimeter to see the voltage here. So I'm gonna put this around 20 volts and I'm gonna detach these solar panels from the power bank. And as you guys can see, there's two prongs here where the voltage are coming out. I'm gonna use this prongs here to see how much voltage these three panels is giving me here. So I have the polarity reverse, so I'm gonna put it a ground on the other side now. So as you guys can see on the real time, it's giving me 5.5 voltage even though there's no sunlight. So that's pretty cool. So guys, this today's day 2. Yesterday was a heavy snow, so I did not put the panels outside. So even though there is sun coming out in and out today, so I still put these for charging, and you guys can see it's still at first LED. So let's see how long it's gonna take to charge. Hello everybody, so today is the day 3. We have tons of sunlight today. I have put this solar charger into the sunlight here. Let's see how it's holding up. As you guys can see, it's lighting up here. I hope you guys can see it. It's still on first LED. I don't know how long it's gonna take to go to the second LED. So that's it, that's the day 3 progress. So it's the 4th day today and my power bank is still showing the first LED, and it took around 5 to 6 full sunny days to move the LED from first point to the second point. That means it's pretty slow. Let's talk about what I like and what I don't like about this product here. So one of the things I like about this product is it has 3 power solar panels that is gonna charge your power bank really quick. And one of the things I like this is you can detach these power panels from the power bank, and you can keep it on a side. Whenever you feel the need of using it, you can attach it. And without this, and you can also just use the front panel. It's gonna charge your power bank slower, but it's not bad. And the other thing I like about this product is the capacity of this power bank. It's enough to charge your phone around 6 to 7 times. So that's pretty cool. So you don't have to even charge your device from power outlet for a week or so. And one of the things I don't like about this solar bank is here, this magnetic is not really great. It's not that powerful. So if you're on a hiking or going on a camping, and if you want to put this power bank into the back of your backpack, these are gonna come out easily. So this is what I don't like about this. They should have made this more powerful magnet here so it won't come out. So one more thing that I don't like about this solar power bank is that even though it has 3 to 4 solar panels attached to it, but it takes very long to charge this battery. Roughly around, it will take around 3 to 4 weeks to charge this 26,800 milliamp power battery, as compared to if I put this battery to the power outlet, it takes around 8 to 9 hours to fully charge this battery from 0 to 100%. So if you put it for over one night, that should be fine to charge the battery. But if you're totally looking to buy this product to charge it from solar, please just keep in mind the charging is very slow. It will take around 2 to 3 weeks to fully charge this power bank. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in another episode. Take care and stay safe. Bye.